now be recorded.
Hi everyone, good morning. Any doubts from previous topics? So today we supposed to start enhancements and modifications. Before going to this topic, there is a small topic module pool programming which we will discuss and then we will come back again to enhancements and modification because it has a dependency. So what is module pool programming? Module pool programming is also called screen programming or dialogue programming, which has different names. And when we use this module pool programming, whenever our customer is not happy with standard SAP provided solutions, he wanted to design a new solution where by using that solution he can achieve business related op which is not provided by SAP. For example, if you wanted to create a sale order, we have to use as per SAP VS01 transaction. If they wanted to deliver, we need to use VL01 and transaction. And for billing FI01. These are all different T codes which SAP created to place orders in business. But our customer is not happy with three types of transactions, and it is very difficult to educate the end user and train him on these transactions and keeping a person dedicated for this to place orders. And they wanted to go with a simple design where end user, end, if he come, he can able to easily understand, and as well as at the same time in the back end, sales order, delivery, billing, everything will be happen automatically. So how it is possible? With the help of ABAPer, customer he can go and create a entirely new application which is not provided by SAP. So by using this application, only few minimum inputs business has to enter. That is for which customer and what is the product he placed and how many quantity he ordered. That's all. So if the customer entered this information, then automatically backend sales order, delivery, billing, everything will create. So this is just some example. You don't think like this is what really in business they are going to use. So point here, whenever as a customer who is using SAP software, he is not happy with the SAP provided applications and he wanted to create a new application, a simplified application, then ABAPer, he will use this module pool programming to design these applications. And module pool programming, if you wanted to work, you have to follow some steps. So those steps are step one. First, you have to create module pool program in SC38 transaction. Whenever you wanted to design any application, first you need to create a module pool program in SC38. And step two, for the application, you have to design screen. So screen will be designed in transaction SC51. In the same application, you have to design menus. So menu will be designed in SE41. And then finally, end user, you are going to provide the new application transaction. So transaction will be created in SE93. So these are the steps as a ABAPer you need to follow if you wanted to design any kind of application. So when we use module pool program, whenever SAP not satisfied with the standard applications, then we will use module pool programming. And why will use module pool programming? To design any new applications which our customer is expecting. And what are the steps we have to follow? These are the steps. And do we have any events in module pool programming? Yes, we have events. And this events behavior is very important. So mostly you need to remember two events, mainly PBO and PI. These are the very important events. And also you have two other events, POH, POV. So these events you just think in reports, load of program initialization, how you have, right? Similar way, these are the events. These events which has a purpose. PBO event will trigger before loading screen, and PI event will trigger after interaction on screen. POH to provide F1 help documentation. POV which is used to provide F4 help value help. So these are the events purpose, and these events you can already observe in the standard SAP design. Let me log in into SAP. Let me check with the server team. I don't know what happening. So why the server is not working? Let me check in remote desktop. Okay, what to do? We have tried with many other passwords, but it's not connecting. Okay, so I don't know what happened, and they are not responding. Might be the morning time. What to do? So we will continue tomorrow because it requires screen flow navigation. So if I explaining here, it will be difficult to understanding. So once we see the screen how it is flowing, then this law, what I am saying, events, which will be understandable. And moreover, our main topic is enhancements and modification. So if you wanted to understand this better, this module pool programming, understanding and designing is very, very important. So we'll see tomorrow, we will meet and then we will continue. Let's see what they are going to do now. Any doubts so far today?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please tell me.
Sir, which client you are using, sir? Because I am not getting KNA1 details, sir. Or no entries in my system, sir.
Yes, yes. All your systems, whatever you are using, which are went wrong. So since
Okay,
this is a training servers, many people does R&D and D and all. So someone deleted entries from customer master table. I requested them to format everybody systems.
okay,
Okay, so if they format, maybe you'll get a new systems like your
okay,
phone format. You know, right? How after you format your phone, how you, it will be. Similarly, this software also, if they format again, it will come back to the original version.
okay,
Later point you can use, but remember, if they did the format with your login ID, whatever programs or whatever thing you have developed, everything will be gone.
okay,
But we don't have any other choice, because in enhancements and modifications we have to use sales applications to understand, but the sales applications are going dumb because of this customer master table issue.
yes, yes, sir. I'm trying last 3 days, sir, but they don't respond. Server team also.
Regarding the dump, or
Okay,
you just ask them to check and format the your system.
okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
They are going to format soon. I have asked them to do that. Just wait for 2 more minutes. He just responded saying, I'll update you, sir. Please wait. We'll see. After 2 3 minutes, also, this is not resolved, then we can wind up. So mine is formatted and I got this new credentials. Okay. And they asked me to format every student's systems also. I told him to format your systems as well, but we'll see what they are going to do.